right about here, right like this, and we're gonna draw the side of his face, just like this, looking nice. Alright, we'll come on up like that, and we'll make his ear right here like that. That looks good. Let's give him some crazy hair. A couple zigzaggy bits here like this, right on down like that, and we'll have it flowing around like this. There we go. Looking fun and nice. There we go. Flowing hair for Robin the Boy Wonder. I like it. Let's give him a nose right there like that. Little triangle bit. We'll give him a bit of a smirk. He's a bit of a cocky boy, ain't he? There we go. I like that. And now we can draw his mask in. Right there. And the other one coming up like this. Down. And hitting his nose like that. Now the inside of his mask here. And the same on the other side. Very good, everyone. Give him an ear over here as well. And we're on the race. We're out. We're out for the neck here now. There we go, just like that. And another V like here. Right there, like that. And then up. And this will be the beginning of his cape. Right here, like this. That's a nice V, everyone. Now let's draw a shoulder. Just like that. Looking nice. Same over here, just like this. Sweet. Let's not forget the big R on his chest. Looking nice. We can make it kind of pointy, like that. Alrighty. All in a bit of a circle here, isn't it? Just like that. Very sweet. Give him a couple of button type things to hold up his shirt. All like that. And we'll bring his chest down here to his belt. Right across like this. Give him a belt buckle right there. Robin's got that utility belt we can't be forgetting. There's his back. Coming up like that. Looking nice, everybody. And we can continue his arms now. Like this. And like that. And now we can put on his gloves. He's got some big old gloves, he does, doesn't he? Give him a bit of a fist here. I like that. And finish the glove up like that. And bring this back in so it meets the sleeve right about there. Forgot about that. Alright, here's his other arm. Looking nice. And let's bring his other glove down here like this. Like that. And we'll do the same fist bit like this. Looking nice, everybody. And bring that on up like that. Wow, we're getting there, everyone. Let's give him some big belt buckle. Utility belt. Gadget things, right, like this. Have them hanging down. Lots of squares. Makes it look like he's got packs on there. Oh, I like it. And now we can draw his legs down here like this. And there's his bottom of his legs. Do the same around here like this on the back. Looking good. Let's start his other leg here. There. And the same over here like this. And like that. Robin the Boy Wonder, everybody. Looking nice. Alright, now we can draw his feet. Like that. Like that. Bring that one in like that. Little shelfie bit like that. Looking good. And we'll give him some soles on these shoes. He's got big shoes, don't he? And we'll make it boot-like like that. Oh, I like that. Maybe cuff it like that. Oh yeah, that's nice. Alright, now we can bring this boot up like this and around. Give this one some sole too. Here, and like that, that little shelfie bit. Bring that down like that. And We'll give him the souls there. Sweet, everybody. Connect that last little bit of the boot. And there. Looking really good. What's left? Just the cape. Robin's cape. Let's start it right about here. That's that side. Continue the same over here. On this side. Cape's a little tricky. A little swirl there. A swirl here. Do that. Do that. And now we can join the cape up at the back. Just like that. And we've got it. It's Robin, the boy wonder. Let's get to the color. Robin has a red shirt. Green pants, gloves and sleeves. A yellow cape, belt and buttons. Gray shoes. Black hair and a mask. The light skin color. Looking good, everybody. Thank you.